Welcome to this Ashfield District Council instructional video, where we are going to show you how to make an online payment using our eStore. First of all, you will need to go to the Ashfield District Council website homepage, which is www.ashfield.gov.uk. On this homepage, you will see some top tasks on the right of the screen. Click on Pay for Something. On this next screen, click on the online payment option. This will take you to our secure online payment system known as eStore. Once you see this screen, you are connected to the secure online payment system. You can select what you want to pay for in different ways. You can scroll down the list to find what you need. Alternatively, you can use the search facility by typing in a keyword and clicking search. Or we have a drop-down list to help you find what you want. For this example, we are going to select Council Tax. To make a payment, you will need your account number. If you look at your council tax bill, the account number is shown at the top right, as shown highlighted here. Please don't use the account number from this demonstration, it's just for testing. So, enter your own account number where it asks for reference. In the amount box, put how much you are going to pay. Please note that the system doesn't check your instalment, so you have to enter it. Then you will need to click Add to Basket. You get the chance now to check what you have entered before going further. If any details are wrong, you can click Remove Item and start again. To add more items, click Back to Catalogue and select Further Items. Otherwise, if everything's correct, click Check Out Now. The system now needs to know if you're using a debit or credit card. Select the right one and click Next. Note you can still check the details of what you're paying for. It's worth us pausing here to let you know that our payment system is fully secure. You can tell this because of the padlock symbol at the top of the screen, as we're showing here. It's worth looking for this whenever you make an online payment to make sure your details are being handled properly. Also, with the Ashfield District Council eStore, your details are processed in a secure data centre and no council staff can access these details at any time. This is where you enter your card details. Please don't try to use the card details we've entered here. They won't work. They are just a test number. And the card security code, it's the last 3 digits on the back of the card on the signature strip. Entering an email address is optional, but it is a good idea because if you put your email in, it will automatically send you a receipt when the payment goes through. When you've finished, click Next. Here it needs you to enter your address. You can't move forward until the boxes marked with a small red asterisk are completed. When you have entered your address, click Next. This screen again confirms the payment details and gives you a final chance to cancel or continue. If everything is correct and you want to make the payment, click Next. There might now be a short delay as your card details are authorised. You might get an extra screen, which is one that the card companies put in. It might say something like Secure Code or Verified by Visa. Sorry, we can't show you these. You might be asked for a password. This will have been set up on your card by you, and it is all connected to card security. Whether you are asked to verify or not, once the payment has been authorised, you will see this screen. There is a receipt number and authorisation code. You will see that your card details have been redacted. This is a security feature so that people can't steal your card details. It also shows the name and address you entered and the amount and what was being paid for. If you scroll down to the bottom of the receipt, there is another chance to enter your email address and get an electronic copy of the receipt. Or you can click Print if you want a paper copy and you have a printer connected to your computer. We are going to finish, which will take us back to the first screen of the payment system. We've used council tax in this example, but it's roughly the same whatever you want to pay for. To get out of the payment system, you can close your internet browser, or if you click on the Ashfield District Council logo at the top of the screen, you'll be taken back to our website. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you understand our eStore.